In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Dutch oven venison roast. Very simple and delicious. Start with removing the silver skin. Dry the roast before seasoning it. Use a generous amount of sea salt. And black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to your Dutch oven. Once it is smoking hot, add the roast. Sear on each side until caramelized. Once caramelized, remove the roast from the Dutch oven. Then add the onions and cook till they are slightly caramelized. Add the minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add 1 cup of dry red wine. Be sure to scrape the bottom, that's where your flavor is. When the wine is reduced by half, gently place the roast back in the Dutch oven. Then add 4 cups of beef broth. Add your remaining ingredients: carrots, potatoes, bay leaf, rosemary, and thyme. Bring the Dutch oven up to a simmer and cover it. Once simmering, place it in a preheated 350-degree oven. Continue to cook it for 2 to 3 hours depending on the size of the roast. You can thicken the sauce by removing all the ingredients except for the liquid. You could simmer it and reduce it by half, or you can add some cornstarch. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.